discuss the FV function, which assume that if you put money in the bank, you basically, or say for retirement, you get the same interest rate each year. But what if you get a different interest rate each year? That's where the FV schedule function comes in. So suppose you put in $300 today, and the first year you get 5% a year, the next year 8% a year, and then you get 10% for the next year. Okay, what would you end up with? Well, you would end up with $300 times 1.05 times 1.08 times 1.1, which is that amount of money. So it'd be nice if there was a function that would handle this type of situation, and there is, FVSCHEDULE. So you go FVSCHEDULE. Okay, the principal is what you put in today, and here's the rates. And so that'll tell you what you'll end up with at the end of that last period, and we should get 374.22, and we do. That's really all there is to it, to this excellent, easy-to-use function.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his Marketing Analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his Analytics Stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.